Today we're talking about 5 ways to add more hygge to your life. Number 1, light a candle, or 2, or 3. In the little book of Hygge, it says that there is no faster way to get to hygge than to light a candle. So let's go. This is a very simple and quick way to change the atmosphere. A key element to hygge is good lighting. And by good, I don't actually mean bright. I mean soft lighting, low lighting. A second way to add more hygge to your life is to find a way to unplug from your phone so that you can connect to your surroundings. This might mean turning it off for an evening or plugging it into the wall in a room that you are not in. It might be that you have to be creative how you can separate yourself from your phone so we can connect to our surroundings, our community, our family, even our very selves. If you can find a way to do this, I promise that you'll be a happier person and it will be good for your sense of well-being. So, unplug from your phone. All right, a third way to get to hygge quickly, which is ironic because hygge is about being slow, is to drink something warm. This could be hot cocoa, cider, cup of coffee, whatever it is. Get something hot and enjoy it slowly. Also, in an upcoming episode, we're going to talk about how to make mulled wine and mulled cider. So watch for that episode. Another way to experience hygge in your life, since we're talking about slowing down and being more intentional, would be to, I call it, rediscover yourself. And you can do this by sitting quietly someplace, and if it's too hard to sit by yourself, bring a journal, bring a book, put on some music. If you like to meditate, you can do that, or do gentle yoga. Something that helps you relax and de-stress and recenter yourself. That is really important to your sense of well-being. And at the same time, you can drink your coffee and have a candle going. Even though hygge can be experienced by yourself, often it's at its best when you share it with people that you love. So number 5 is to invite your favorite person or favorite people over for food. And you don't have to put pressure on yourself to make a homemade meal. If you can and you love to do that, you should. But you can always order takeout or delivery and just sit with people and enjoy some food, some drink, and some good conversation. Those are 5 ways to add more hygge to your life. I'll catch you next time. There's no faster way to get to hygge than to light a few candles. Therefore, don't start a fire.